Hello, we have a very special car on offer here, a 46-year-owned 1974 Alfa Romeo GTV that has lived its entire life garaged in the San Francisco Bay Area. It's currently available on Bring a Trailer. We'll have a lot more info at the end, but let's start her up and take her for a quick ride. Shipped to Brown Motors in San Rafael, it was purchased on 11/10/1975 by a local psychologist. After 13 months, he sold it to the current owner, who for many years was active on the historic racing scene in a GTA. Now showing 127,000 miles on the clock, it's been meticulously maintained by both Rogers Automotive and longtime Alfa mechanic Chris Off. It had an engine rebuild at 113,000 miles, including headwork by Norman Racing in Berkeley, California. A rare factory AC car with tinted windows and the battery moved to the back from the factory. This car is in perfect shape to drive on rallies or your local cars and coffee. It could also be a great starting point to a concours show car. It's now live on Bring a Trailer, ending Saturday, June 4th at 11:58. For more info, go to GanauAutoworks.com. Thank you.